Hello everyone, good afternoon. So I'm sorry I cannot hear in this just DJ radios because I'm go to SMC side here. So it means SMC side City Cebu. So I cannot pass my this one by resume application here so that I will go up this one with hotel so that I will pass up this one with requirements. So we're here in this analyze of these games in TBC Man and Coach Chess Tournament 2026. So today is round number 4 with single round robin win 1 hour, 30 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So in this today's round number 4 and also have between with number 2 with Grandmaster China Zhu Junior faces battle against with Grandmaster USA is Andy Woodward here. So what do you think about this round number 4? So it means so after of this move with Brilliant with Queens here. So in this part of this videos here in this round number 4 and also have a analyze of the standings after round number 4. Okay, let's start. So white play Zhu is e4, c5 by Woodward Sicilian, knight f3, and also d6 here. So it means with d6 and also pawn to d4. So it means this is a attacks of this one with pawns here and exchange variation by captured this c takes d4, knight captured here, and also knight f6 here by Woodward threatening the with pawns here with attacks this pawn and also knight to c6 here. Okay, knight c6 and also pawn to a6. So it means with pawn a6 with no more by this one with bishop to d5 here with check. So this is a so without no more by this one by bishop d5 with check. So without check here because this is a connected by this one with pass pawn here and also with bishop to d3. Okay, bishop d3 with Jujner with next upcoming by castling inside here and also pawn to e5. So pawn e5 with Woodward with threatening the knights here and also with knight d e2. So knight e2 here. So it means with defense of this knight. So this is the main lines here and also have a knight to b3. So knight b3 here. So this is a knight b3 by controls here. So with the main lines here. So it means with also by this one by new main lines is knight d2 here. So knight d2 with Jujner with defense of these knights. And also knight c6 by Woodward here. Castle kingside by Zhu. Bishop e6 by Woodward. And king h1 by Zhu with number 2 here. So without number 2 by this one with properly active move against that. So this is a with king must be active by Zhu. Rook c8 by Woodward. So without ideas with rook c files with pins. So this is a more pins with more of this one with rook c files here. And also Zhu knight d5. Okay, knight d5 here. So this is a jumping in by this one with Zhu with idea with threatening the knights here. So this is a counters attacks here. And with bishop captured here. So it means so this is a worse move by Woodward. So does not like of this computer here. So with the best move this one is decided this one with better is knight captured. So knight takes d5 here. If you e takes captured with double with bishop and knights here and also with bishop captured. Bishop captured here without idea with captured with check sacrifice without attacks this one with rooks here. So this is a more of this one with diagonals here with light square and also f4. So f4 here. So this is a good score advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is bishop captured by Woodward here against with GM, and e takes captured by Zhu, and also knight b4. So without threatening the bishop, so does not like a Woodward movement. So it means knight b4 here. So without best move, this one is need go back here knight b8. So knight b8 is a right move of this computer engine here. So according this one, so this is a good score. Black's advantage here. So back there, knight b4 without idea with threatening the bishop. So threats the bishop and idea with attacks the pawns without counters with doubles here. And excelente by number 2 by Zhu is bishop f5 good precise. So what's the plannings here? Because the bishop f5 with idea with threatening the rooks here with counters attacks here. And Woodward is rook c7 and another excellent number 2 is knight c3 good precise defense of this one with pawns here. And also with g6 with g6 here because the without idea with dark square with next up transferring bishop b7 and pawns with threatening the pawns bishop without threats the bishop here. So this is a positional move against solutions here. And also with Zhu is bishop backwards h3 here and also rook c4 strong move, so another bad move by Woodward here. So the best move this one is bishop g7 with an idea with about coming by next castling here. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a good score advantage for blacks here. Okay, so back there this one is rook c4 against with strong move against with Chia Woodward and also f4. This is a good precise suswang. So with the suswang here, so with that f4 we drew with attacks the pawns and decided push e4 here. We don't explain, for example, why don't we continue if we capture this pawn here, so it means and also rook captured challenged by this one by rook to rook. So look at evaluation bar. So this is a highest. If you rook captured accepted, bishop captured rook. So it means so this is a according this one. So this is a good score examples. So without push e4 against strong move against GM Woodward and also a3 by Zhu idea with threatening the disturbance the knight. So without disturbance here. And rook captured sacrificed by Woodward. So this is a sacrifice. I don't want to shout because this is a noise against many people here. So no need by this one with shouting by the rook because this is a god function. So rook captured c3. So this is a brilliant sacrifice here. Captured, so one rook down against with Woodward because this is a pawn. So two connected here. So this is a threats the knights here with attacks the knights. So this is a more of this one with positional and knight captured pawn. Okay, so this is a good precise here. So knight captured against Woodward without need more captured here. And also with c4. Okay, c4 by Zhu. Or maybe here by threatening the knights. Okay, with threatening the knights here. So this is a disturbance by tempos attacks. And also with knight to e7 backwards against with Woodward here. And rook b1. I forgot something. So it means knight e7 without knight e7 by Woodward. So what's the planning? Transferring maneuvers knight f5. Okay, knight f5 here. So this is transfer by maneuver here. And also with rook b1. Or maybe with Zhu, with that idea with threatening the pawns. With e7, with counters attacks with bad pawns here. And also with Woodward is bishop g7 without coming by next castling. So next castling kingside here by Woodward here. And also with rook captured free pawns. So this is a rook captured free pawns against with strongest against with Zhu here. And Woodward decided castling kingside here. Bishop b2, so this is a disappearance by book lines here by Zhu. So this is a novelty by Zhu Junior. Without old main lines here, so it means with old main lines by this one with g4. Okay, g4 is a old main lines here. So without new move here, bishop e2, disappearance by book lines because novelty by Zhu Junior here. And knight c6 by this one by Woodward because this is a more precise here. So because this is a need by this one with repeating with knight c6 here. And also bishop captured here. And queen takes captured. And also queen b5. Good precise here by Zhu. Very strong against number 2 here by Zhu Junior. So without idea with queens threatening the knights because this is a counters here. And also knight d8 by Woodward. Or maybe without ideas with knights threatening the rooks. So this is a more of this one, this disturbance here, because this is a more of this one with continuous by solutions here. And also with rook backwards b3 by this one by Zhu here. And also rook e8 by Woodward, rook e3. Okay, what the plans? Or maybe rook threats the pawns because this is a protects against one with queens and rooks. So this is a more threatening the pawns. Queen b2 by this one by Woodward, or maybe with an idea with double pawns and double. So two pawns double here. So this is a force against with queens against Woodward here. And also with Jules is rook captured here, challenged by rook to rook, inaccept by Woodward rook takes, queen takes, and also bishop f6. So it means this is a positional with Suswang against with more of this one. So this is a bishop against diagonals by bishop with guard square. Queen b3. Okay, this is the defense by this one. So because this is a with 3, 2. So 2. So 2 connected pass pawn here and more 3. So it means because 2, so this is a 2 connected pass pawn against that here. Because the queens here, so with the defense the pawns and defense against with pawns here. And also with Woodward is pawn a5 here. Or maybe without idea with Woodward a4 because don't collides by prisoners here. Queen captured pawns here. Or maybe without idea with planning visual threatening the bishop here. I don't know what sacrifice here. So without counters attacks here. And also king g7 with force move against properly active kings by this one by Woodward. And also g4. Okay. So without g4 with more of this one with g4 against with Zhu. So without plannings here with idea with Zhu Junior is next by g5 because threatening the bishop here with counters attacks with tempos with targets. And h6, so it means no more by this one with g5 because this is a connected by this one by h6 here without idea with movement by Woodward here. And also bishop g2 by Zhu Junior here. Queen c3. Okay, what the plan next with Woodward? So it means with queens threatening 1, threatening 2, threatening 3. Okay, so I don't know what's the threats here. So again 1 and 2. So it means 1 and 2. So it means pawn 1 and pawn 2 because this is a double pawns attacks. So no need by this one with threats here because this is a more of this one here. So without needs by this one with threatening 1 and threatening 2. So this is a threats the pawns here. And decided by this one is queen d3 by Zhu Junior, or maybe without defense here. So without defense here by this one with pawns, with threatening the pawns, without challenge by this one with queen to queen here. And does not want by this one with Woodward queen e2. Without explain for second example here. In accept, why don't we queen takes accepted? Queen takes d3 here. And also c takes captured. C takes captured and also knight e6. So this is a good for examples here. So without factor this one is queen b2 here. So that's not one of queen takes accepted by Woodward here. And also with idea is f5 attacks the pawns and g5 with pushes against with Woodward. Without third example, why don't we capture, if you capture this g takes f5, g takes captured here, and also with bishop to e7. Okay, bishop e7. So this is a good score. Examples by third here. Third examples here. So back there, this one is push g5. So it means so slightly opposite color bishop. So opposite color bishop. So same by this one with white and blacks with light square and dark square. So it means so this is a slightly opposite color. Opposite color bishop here. So it means without more of this one made by this one by draw here. So almost by this one with 13 minutes plus 11 seconds by number 2 by Schuschner and 4 minutes against 26 seconds by Woodward here. So this is a block by 9 seconds. And let's continue G5 by pushes by Woodward and C5. Okay, C5 against here with push, or maybe by upcoming by this one with queens here without without queen promoted. Queen E5 by this one by Woodward, or without catching by this one with targets the pawns here. And with C6 enterings by this one with sacrifice against that with rook. So it means decided by this one. So this is a more of this one with protects by movement here. And also bishop E7 by this one by Woodward. And also with queen E4 challenged by queen to queen here. And does not want by Woodward cannot accept with queen to queen. In idea here, in accept, why don't we knight capture? If you knight captured here with sacrifice and also with queen captured c6. So queen capture c6, if you queen f6 here, challenged by this one with queen to queen. In accept, queen captured f6 check, bishop captured, and also bishop to d5. Okay, bishop d5. So this is a good score example. So another, okay, another here, another for example. So in accept, why don't we accept it by queen to queen? So it means queen takes accepted, bishop captured here. Because bishop captured defense by this one with pawns. So cannot capture this one with pawns. So this is a bishop here. So this is a second more examples. So after this one does not want by Woodwards with queen c5, or maybe here by threatening the pawns here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the last move with finding brilliant queens with number 2 Schuschner before resigns by young kid Grandmaster Woodward in USA? So waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the last move with number 2 Schuschner, queen captured bishop, queen brilliant here. So queen captured e7 brilliant, resigns by Woodward here. So why he resigns by Woodward? Because if the queen captured in sacrifice against with his Woodward, and also f6 check with traps here, fatal against that, so unstoppable here, so against lose for 4 blocks. Okay, so the score by number 2 Schuschner 98.1. So 98.1 by Zhu, number 2, and Woodward 87.2. So it is good fight with scores here. So the winner by round number 4, Grandmaster number 2 Schuschner. Congratulations here. So I will next up this one with round number 5. Okay, with number 1 by world champion Magnus Carlsen with Norway, and faces by number 2 with China Grandmaster Zhu Schuschner. So I will next up this next round. Okay, so I hope for this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by subscribe by notification below by YouTube, Mark Logi 17, English speaking only, and Mark Logi Part 2, Tagalog Sensibuanos. And keep updates of this next chess update. So let's see at this one with final results with standings here with TV Sigiman's Go Chess Tournament after round number 4. So look at this one. So next pictures here.